What if the future of American RV living was bigger, bolder, and more unstoppable than anything you've ever seen? Today, we're stepping inside a motorhome so extreme, it doesn't just challenge the RV industry, it redefines it. Welcome to Motorhome Villa, the home of the world's most elite motorhomes. And today, you're looking at one of the most outrageous machines ever built, the 2026 $5 million 6x6 Scania double-decker motorhome. This isn't an RV. This is a rolling fortress of luxury. At first glance, it looks like something designed for a different planet. Built on Scania's legendary heavy-duty 6x6 platform, this motorhome is engineered for total domination, highways, deserts, mountain snow, and fully off-grid terrain. 6 massive driven wheels, reinforced axles, adaptive suspension, and expedition-grade tires give it capabilities most motorhomes wouldn't even dare attempt. And then you step inside. What you find feels less like a motorhome and more like a 2-story luxury villa on wheels. The lower level features an open concept lounge with panoramic glass, premium modular seating, cinematic ambient lighting, and a full entertainment wall that rivals high-end penthouses. The kitchen is fully residential and chef-grade induction cooking, smart storage, industrial refrigeration, and custom finishes everywhere you look. But the real showstopper is upstairs. The second deck is a private retreat in motion, a master suite with hotel-level comfort, sound-insulated walls, spa-inspired bathroom finishes, and a dedicated workspace overlooking the world as it rolls by beneath you. This isn't van life. This is mobile dominance. Underneath it all, the engineering is just as wild. A high-torque Scania diesel powertrain delivers relentless pulling power, while intelligent traction systems distribute force across all 6 wheels in real time. Despite its massive size, advanced steering and driver assist technology make it shockingly manageable behind the wheel. And yes, it's completely self-sufficient. Solar integration, massive battery reserves, intelligent energy management, satellite connectivity, and off-grid systems allow this motorhome to operate for extended periods without civilization. This isn't just travel freedom, this is total independence. So who is this for? This isn't a weekend camper. This is for elite travelers, entrepreneurs, content creators, and adventurers who refuse to compromise. At $5 million, this isn't just transportation. It's a statement of power, freedom, and control. The 2026 6x6 Scania double-decker motorhome isn't just changing the RV game, it's creating an entirely new league. If this machine blew your mind, smash that like button, subscribe to Motorhome Villa, and tell us in the comments, if you owned this monster, where would your first destination be?